Welcome. In front of me I have Sony A5000, and today I will show you how we can adjust auto review. So at first you have to tap on the menu, then go for the custom settings, and when you scroll down you can find the auto review right here. So just simply tap the middle button to enter, and as you can see here we can change it from 10, 5 to, or just turn it off. So let's go for example for the 5, and right now when you try to take a photo, I will show you. And right now this image will be displayed for 5 seconds, and after that time it will disappear. So if you want to get rid of that, you have to turn it off, and after that when you take a photo, as you can see, there is no review of the image. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.